working issue on both app and website. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. Restart your router if needed. Update the Twitter X app. Android, open Google Play Store, search for X Twitter, tap Update. iOS, open App Store, search X Twitter, tap Update. Test Clear Cache and Data, Android. 1. Go to Settings, Apps, X Twitter. 2. Tap Storage and Cache. 3. Select Clear Cache and then Clear Data. This will log you out. iOS, no direct cache clear option. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Disable browser extensions, web only. Ad blockers or privacy extensions can block the Show button. Disable extensions like uBlock Origin, AdGuard, Privacy Badger, etc. Test again in incognito private mode. Change display and accessibility settings. In the X app, settings and privacy, accessibility, display and languages, display. Reset display settings to default. Log out and back in. Log out of your Twitter X account, close the app browser completely, log back in. Reinstall the app, uninstall X Twitter, restart your phone, install it again from the official store. Try a different device or browser. If the issue is on your phone, try logging in from a PC. If it works there, the problem is likely with your mobile app setup. Extra tip, sometimes the Show button is disabled temporarily due to rate limits or content restrictions. Waiting a few hours can fix it if it's a server-side issue.